50 years after humans landed on the moon for the first time, America has driven a golden spike on the trail to new space exploration feats through the work of our commercial partner SpaceX and all of the talented and dedicated flight controllers at NASA and our international partners. It won't be long before our astronaut colleagues are aboard Crew Dragon and Boeing Starliner vehicle, and we can't wait. Let us continue to be united by our insatiable curiosity to go beyond what is known, to do what has never been done. We humans are our best, and we are part of something bigger than ourselves. Today, tomorrow, and the weeks and months ahead belong to those who dream big and who dare to explore, and our future in space is very, very bright. Thank you from the crew of Expedition 58.